Howdy, howdy, everybody out there in YouTube land. Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a magic performance. Let's get started. So we're just going to have a card selected from the center. Could be anything. I'm not going to look. Very nice. Going to have that card cut into the center. Very nice. Now to find your card, all we have to do is deal out the cards. And once I feel like we're going to get close, I will feel the heat from that card, as if it is the card itself that has this energy, as if it knows exactly what it is. Here we go. I think we're getting close. Very close. Okay. This is it. The next card I turn over will be your card. The Jack of Spades. Beautiful, I know, right? So there we have the Jack of Spades. Let's go ahead and stick with that card real quick here. Like I said, this card is it's ambitious, right? Not only does it have this energy radiating off it, but no matter what I do, that card will always show up. Take a look. Into the center it goes. Gotta make the sound effects or it doesn't work, right? Very nice. Now that card, we're gonna cut that into the center. But we're gonna do it in such a way that makes it easier to find. Let me show you how that works. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, here we go. There's one card that's upside down. What do you think? Is it gonna be the Jack of Spades? Very nice. Next, we shall take this card and we're going to lose it into the pack. I think it's lost. Let's go ahead and take a look. And let's see. Is it the top card? Nope. Is it the bottom card? Nope. Let's see. That top card was 9. Let's go ahead and go with 9 cards. 3, 6, 9. Okay. Now let's see if we can spell out your card. J-A-C-K-O-F. And then what was that? Spades. S-P-A-D-E-S. Well, that's the Jack of Hearts. That's not quite right. Oh, that's right. It's a magic spell. M-A-G-I-N-C. The Jack of Spades. And you can see there's your 9, 7, ace. There's 2 jacks in there. Beautiful. Okay. So that's a beautiful, ambitious card routine for you like that. But what if we took it a step further, right? What if we had a coin, right? What could we do with a coin? Can we make this coin appear to be bendy? I don't know. Into the hand it goes, but it jumps right over here. We're going to take it here just like that. Oof. And it jumps through the hand. Very nice. So that's kind of like a 1 coin routine, but we can do better, right? We can do better. Okay, we're actually going to need, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4 coins. Look at that. So we got 4 coins here, and what's going to happen is we're going to go with the illusion. Just like the cards, the coins are very ambitious as well. They will jump around the board. You got to be ambitious in this world. And there we have 4 coin routine. Look at that. They jump around. We're going to need 2 more coins for this last bit. This is called the Flying Eagles, right? Because there's eagles on the back of the coins. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 on this side as well. And just like that, 1 has actually flown the coop. 4 over here, 2 over here. One more time. I think you'll be able to get it this time. Okay, and 2 over here. You're not going to hear the clink this time as it silently passes right over here. Look at that. We got 5 over here, 1 over here. The last one, you can probably guess what's going to happen here. The last one simply goes into the pocket as if by magic. It returns to the other side. Truly ambitious, if you ask me. Last but not least, what do we have for you today? We have a sponge ball. Place it into the hand. As if by magic, we can rewind time and it will jump back into the pocket. Oh, too fast? Let's try again, real slow. Ooh. The magic move, and it will jump to the other hand. Boop, there's 2. Ho ho! Very nice. This next part will look better if they were different colors, because they've actually switched places. Let's do it again. Now that you know what to look for, you'll actually see the something went wrong in the teleporter. That can happen. Let's try this. 1 in my hand. We're going to put 1 in your hand. Oh. Did it seem a little top-heavy to you? Because it seemed top-heavy to me. Because there's actually not 1, but 2 sponge balls. Why don't we take this one and put it into the pocket? Oh. Maybe it's this pocket. There it is. Jump to the wrong pocket. That can happen sometimes. So take this sponge ball, for instance. Take this sponge ball. We're going to put those sponge balls back into here. So like that. Now remember how I said it jumped back to the pocket? Well, it just jumped back to the pocket. Into the hand. It jumped into not the pocket, but the box. Now there's 1, 2, 3. Wowzers. Now let's bring it home with a finale. There's 1 in the hand. There's 2 in the hand. You've seen this before. The third one goes into the pocket. How many in the hand? It's 3. If you guessed 3, good job. You're following along. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3 goes into the pocket. How many in the hand? It's still 3. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now that we know what we're doing, we don't have to guess anymore. Here we go. One final time, we place number 3 in the pocket. How many sponges in the hand? Close. We call that a done deal. Those sponges are very ambitious. You know, they jump around, they disappear, they go to the pocket, they go to the box, all over the place. Absolutely fantastic. So there is my routine. It's not perfect, by no means, but it's the idea of connecting, the idea of cards always appearing, the same card. It's ambitious. The coins, going from 1 to 4 to 6, but they're moving around, they're jumping around as if by magic. It's real magic. And then, of course, the sponge balls for the finale, because sponge balls are my personal favorite. So if you enjoyed, let me know by clicking that like button. If you think I could do something a little bit different, go ahead and comment down below. And if you want to check out more stuff, then click the bell to see more amazing videos from card reviews and Magic Theory with me, Jesse. Thank you, everybody, and remember, always remember, stay positive, stay active, and stay awesome. And we'll see you in the next one.